Good morning. Today is September 20th, 2022, Tuesday. The Federal Reserve will have a meeting where they will discuss the interest rates, and these idiots will try to bump it up probably by another half a point, maybe 3/4 of a point. I hope they have enough brains not to push it up by 1 full percentage point. All blue chip stocks are right now in decline, and as I said yesterday, when they were down just a little bit and then went back up, today we still have a second chance to purchase them at pretty good discounts. For example, Goldman Sachs is trading down $7 or over 2%. The other stocks to buy is United Healthcare minus $5. And by the way, this list you could view inside of my app called Stock Rank that you could download for iPhone, iPad, Android, and Amazon tablets. The other good stocks to buy is Home Depot is down almost $5 or 1.7%. Caterpillar also is trading at a great discount, almost $5 down. Nike is also down minus $4. Amgen, the pharmaceutical company, is also down like $4 or 1.6%. Another one is Travelers Group, minus $3.3. Another big one, which is Microsoft, is down almost $3, trading at $241. McDonald's also was recovering nicely yesterday, but it's down again today by $3, trading at $254. Honeywell also down minus 1.5% or almost $3. Salesforce is down $2.50, trading at $150. American Express also is trading at a discount at $153. Chevron, gasoline company, even though the gas is going back up, this thing is going down, so it's a great buy as well. IBM, is another great buy, minus $2. Visa, minus almost $2, also a great buy. So today you have another opportunity to purchase all these blue chip stocks. All of them are members of Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, and some people anticipate them to go even lower, but they've been down for almost 2 weeks already, and they're meeting some resistance, which basically signals that the decline is pretty much over. Once we get delivered the bad news again from the Fed, it should turn around, and then you wouldn't be able to buy them at such great discounts. So it is up to you, but you gotta risk when it makes sense. And if you want to find out what other stocks to buy, download my app. You could see it by going to 2stx.com, and it will take you to the app stores where you could download them. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye bye.